As you know, we divided the consonants in two parts, common and rare. We learned the common consonants in previous video. Now, which consonants are used very rarely? The first one is called ng. Ng. The second one is called ny. Ny. The third one is called tr. Tr. The fourth one is called shra. Shra. Fifth one is called r. R. Last one is called r. R. Now, how to write these consonants? Ng. Ny. Tr. Shra. R. R. I know guys, this language is new for you, but believe me, it is an easy language and also we will learn this in a simple way.